So I wanted to show exactly what we have going on here. This is the row cap by Robot 9. What you can see is that it is a cable robot that has 3 cables that go down to a center point from 4 different positions. And that the stability of this is remarkable on how stable it is when outside influences are pushing on it or when it's used to be able to pick offset loads. So again, we have 3 cables from 4 corners that go down to the center. In this application, I picked 4 different boards up to, the biggest one was 14 foot long. It's the biggest I had. And picked them from this point, number 1, number 2, number 3, and then number 4. So when I picked this one, obviously the load was about 48 inches off the center, cantilevered off to the side, and no problem picking it.